Now I want to add two more measures. So click here on the three dots, new measure. So this will be total freight equal to sum. And we're going to sum the freight. So press return. So comma, 1000 and 0 in place. So then the next one, new measure. This will be total quantity equal to sum order quantity of order quantity. Return, and we make that 1000 separator and 0. That's fine. 0 places after decimal point. And the last thing we're going to do now is to hide these three here because we have measures for them. So click on freight here and we hide it. Then order quantity and we hide it. And the previous measure we had sales amount, total sales, we can hide this column now as well.